Across the tropics and subtropical regions of the world, a tall, humble plant stands as one of humanity's oldest sources of sweetness. This is sugarcane, a raw material that powers industries, fuels energy systems, and produces one of the most widely consumed ingredients on the planet, sugar. Every year, millions of tons of sugarcane begin their journey in vast agricultural fields. Farmers monitor soil quality, irrigation cycles, temperature, and humidity to ensure the crop reaches its full potential. When the cane matures, usually after 12 to 18 months, it is harvested quickly using both mechanized cutters and skilled manual labor. Speed matters. Once sugarcane is cut, its natural sucrose begins to degrade, so the harvested stalks are immediately transported to the nearest processing facility. As the trucks roll in, the first stage begins, cleaning and preparation. Here, powerful washers and conveyors remove mud, leaves, stones, and unwanted fibers. Only clean, solid stalks proceed deeper into the plant. Next comes one of the most important steps, crushing. Massive steel rollers press the cane repeatedly, breaking the fibers and squeezing out the juice trapped inside. This juice is the foundation for every sugar product created in the factory, while the leftover dry fiber, known as bagasse, will become a valuable byproduct. The extracted juice contains impurities, so it moves into the filtering and clarification section. Here, screens and settling tanks remove grit and solids. Then, a precise dose of lime solution is added, and the juice is gently heated. This causes non-sugar materials to rise to the surface or settle at the bottom, leaving behind a clearer, more stable liquid. From here, the clarified juice enters the evaporation stage. In massive stainless steel evaporators, water is slowly removed under controlled pressure and heat. As moisture boils away, the juice thickens into a dense, golden syrup rich in concentrated sucrose. The syrup then moves into one of the most sophisticated parts of the factory, crystallization. Inside large vacuum tanks, temperature and pressure are carefully adjusted, encouraging sugar crystals to form. This is a delicate chemical process. Too much heat and crystals become unstable. Too little and they fail to grow. When the crystals reach the ideal size, the mixture, called massicute, is sent to high-speed centrifuges. In these spinning machines, crystals separate cleanly from the remaining liquid. The solid part becomes raw sugar, while the remaining thick, dark liquid is molasses. Raw sugar is then dried, cooled, and transported for further refining. Depending on the product being created, the sugar may undergo washing, filtering with activated carbon, and recrystallization to achieve the familiar white color and purity seen in households and industries. But the story of sugarcane does not end here. This plant is remarkable because almost every part of it is used. The leftover fiber from crushing, bagasse, becomes a vital energy source. Factories burn bagasse in high-efficiency boilers, producing steam that powers turbines and generates electricity. Many sugar mills are self-sufficient, running entirely on the energy produced from their own waste material. Molasses, the dark syrup separated during centrifugation, becomes the base for a wide range of products: industrial alcohol, ethanol, biofuels, bakery syrups, livestock feed, pharmaceuticals, and even components used in cosmetics. Filter cake, another byproduct, is rich in organic matter and minerals, making it a valuable fertilizer that goes back to the field. In this closed-loop system, almost nothing is wasted. As the final sugar crystals move through conveyors into packaging lines, they are weighed, sealed, and labeled for different markets, from household kitchens to beverage factories to global export companies. What began as a simple stalk in a sunlit field has now become a refined commodity with worldwide demand. Behind every spoon of sugar lies a network of farmers, engineers, machines, chemistry, and energy, all working in harmony to transform natural sweetness into a versatile industrial product. From the fields to the crushing plant to the evaporators, crystallizers, and turbines. This is the hidden world that powers one of the most essential ingredients in modern life. This is the complete journey, sugarcane to sugar and byproducts, the full industrial process.